don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a slight unboxing for y'all. This is not the biggest unboxing I've done or anything near it, but I feel like we do have a pretty cool set of pieces that we are going to be showing you guys today. I have some FTP, some Supreme, some Kaws, Uniqlo, some pretty cool stuff in here. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, go ahead and follow Astro Bodega because I am going to be putting some stuff up for sale, and there are two things up there right now. I'm gonna be listing some more things, some sneakers and stuff like that, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells. Man, shout out to you, man. Shout out to all the notification gang, for real, man. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, the Kaws Uniqlo shit was so dope that I opened it. Some of these things I've never opened until the video, and some of them I'm just too amped for, and these are one of those collaborations or collections that I'm actually pretty amped for. I did not expect this shit to resell at the price that it's at, even though it's not too high, but still, like, they have some resale, and this is the last Kaws Uniqlo collaboration, so I could definitely see these going up a lot in the future. So right here we got probably one of my favorite pieces from the whole collection. This colorway right here is so fire to me. I actually feel like this is one of the better ones. It's so clean. It just has the Kaws figure right there holding the small Kaws plush on the bottom. You can see that right there. Super clean piece. What I like about them is that retail is $15. Like, you cannot beat that. Quality is up there. One thing you do have to notate is that you have to go a size down, and unfortunately I bought these shits when I was like inflamed and shit, and I started losing weight afterwards, so I bought these a size too big. Good thing I like wearing my shit big anyway, so it's all good. Right here we got the Kaws Uniqlo, and this salmon dusty like pink colorway, super fire piece. I actually love this one right here. This is one of my favorites from the whole collection. Definitely had to get this one. Next up we had this one right here, which was another banger, yo. This one is fire, bro. I like this one because of the blue. I don't know if y'all know, but blue is my favorite color, so this right here is it for me. Like, I would freak that right now with the Project 88 on. Y'all already know this is super clean, bro. It's just a clean figure. It's just the Kaws with the little X's on the eyes right there. Super clean piece. I actually really do like this one right here. I'm gonna be freaking this one a lot. I actually like them because the quality is pretty good. The prices are pretty good. Everything is just gooch with them. Like, you feel me? Shit is just good. But last up, we had this Kaws tee right here. I do have another one that I got, which was the striped one, but I can't find this shit. I don't know. I think I don't know what the fuck happened to that shit. But we got this one right here. Another banger, dude. Like, come on. This one is probably my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it's white, literally, because I feel like white tees get dirty way too easily. So that's a downfall for me. But the design on this is so fire. It's definitely the best one out of the collection. Besides the blue and the pink, because of the colorways, this right here is probably the better one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna put a picture up wearing this on Instagram. I love this figure, like the split with the see-through body. Then you got the Kaws, so fire. I love the idea and the concept. Dumbass motherfucker. Super clean piece right here. But that pretty much does it for the Kaws pieces that I had. If I do find the other tee, the striped one, I am gonna put it in the video as well. But we're gonna put those to the side real quick. Right here we do got another package for y'all, and it is from FTP. Super clean packaging on this right here. FTP right there. Honestly, I feel like I copped the wrong pair. These are still hard, don't get me wrong, but the other ones was just so fire, and I didn't realize it until afterwards, which kind of sucks, but it's gonna be alright. We about to go ahead and get into these right here. This was the Crap Eyewear collaboration that they did. The packaging on this and everything that goes with it is just A1. You got the FTP cloth right here to clean the glasses. You got the FTP box. You got the little FTP carrying case right here. Y'all can see that kinda. Then we got the glasses in here. Like, come on now. These are vibes, bro. For the summertime, super clean, bro. Come on, got the FTP on the side right there. Yo, I love FTP. I'm not even gonna lie. Super clean piece. Got the FTP on the sides. These are just some lit ass shades. I probably wouldn't wear it with this right here. I wouldn't wear it with this right here, but it's still pretty clean. I like the shape of the glasses, and honestly I like the color, and seeing them on me right now, these shits is actually hard body. I'm not gonna lie. Super clean pair of glasses right here. I might just keep these shits on the rest of the video. Fuck it. The light gonna reflect, so I'm gonna take this shit off, but fire. fire ass piece right here. Next up, we do got this package from Profound Aesthetics. Y'all already know they always hook it up, so go ahead and show them some love for real. I do have a promo code if you guys do want to go ahead and check out some of their pieces. I actually freak with the brand heavy. They always show love. The pieces are fire. The designs, I actually really love them. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all see the hoodies. Like, I wear this shit all the time. Like, I wear their clothes all the time. The jeans are great as well. And honestly, they be hooking your boy up. Thank you guys over at Profound Aesthetics for showing love always. It definitely does mean a lot. Y'all should definitely go ahead and check them out because their quality is probably the best I've felt in a while. There's some brands that do have really good quality and aren't too expensive. This would definitely fall under that category right there. But this is just a simple t-shirt. It's like a sand cream colorway, more of a vacation piece right here. It's just clean for like going out, I don't know, to the beach or some shit before you hop in the water or something. We got that Profound branding on the bottom, real subtle, which I actually really love. You got the birds right there, beautiful colors on it, but it's still simple at the end of the day. Really love this piece right here, and it's actually not too expensive. I think this one was on sale for like $28, something like that, which is not bad at all. I definitely say it's worth it. You can also go ahead and use my promo code if you are interested. Right here, we also got this pair of shorts. Yo, these are lit, bruh. These are super clean for the summertime. Materials on this are crazy. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go back to the website and buy some more. That's how much I'm feeling these right here. You got that little red stripe going around the shorts, which I haven't seen, honestly. You got a little stripe on the side. These are just fire because they're simple, as you can see. I feel like you could wear this with so much, and the fact that they're white is not too good, but you also do have black, you have red, so it like kind of like mixes it up a little bit. Super clean piece right here. Y'all gonna see me wear these a lot, probably on an Instagram picture as well. Shout out to Profound Aesthetics for the quality, man. Shout out to you, man. Last up from Profound Aesthetics, I decided to get another pair of denim. Their denim is just so comfortable and it looks so good that I had to go ahead and scoop up another pair. This time, instead of going with blue denim, I went with the classic black washed denim. I needed a pair of black washed denim, and this is the one, bro. You got the little shoestring lace on the front. You got the little hanging thing that they always put on it, which I actually really love. I'm not gonna lie. It ain't much to it. You got these little cuts right here, which I actually am digging because it's not too big. You got that little cut right there. It's just a simple pair of denim. You got some more detailing on the bottom. It's a fire pair of denim, bro. You could wear these shits with a lot of stuff and it just looks really clean. Also, it's not too heavy, but it's not too light at the same time. I feel like this is just right. It has a little bit of spandex as well, just so you can maneuver and swindle your legs a little bit. Fire ass pair of denim, bro. I would definitely wear this with some Jordan 1s. Literally with a lot of shit, it would go right. Shout out to Profound Aesthetics again for showing love, man. If you guys want to check out anything on their website, it will be linked at the top of the description, and beside it somewhere should be my promo code, just in case you guys do want to go ahead and purchase something from their website. Once again, shout out to you guys for showing love all the time. It definitely means a lot. But let's go ahead and get into some of these other pieces. So my bad, it's probably like an hour later right now and I'm back. We about to go ahead and finish this video real quick. I got a couple more packages to show y'all, then we gonna get straight up out the building. So real quick, I'm about to get into some Supreme. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for first. Shit, and here we do have two packages. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first one. Y'all already know, Supreme on the bag, same shit as usual. Then in here we do got two red box logos, regular shit, and we do got the flashlight. This shit is big as hell. I don't know like how to feel about this. I kind of want to open it, I kind of don't. I do not know if it glows in the dark, none of that shit. I gotta check it out, but I think it does low key. This is bigger than what I thought it would be, honestly. Look at my hand. I don't have the biggest hand or whatever, but shit, it's pretty decent. I don't know if I'm gonna open this shit, but it is the flashlight. Come on now, it says Supreme on the front, glow in the dark colorway. It has like a little clip. This is like a utility flashlight, I think. But this was the first Supreme package that we had for today. Got the little string right there. I don't know, whatever the fuck this is. It's pretty cool though, I guess. Then we got the second package right here. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this bag looked type food. It's like a see-through bag. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see on camera, but this shit feel fake. The bag feels fake and it's coming straight from Supreme, bro. But in here we do got two red box logos once again. And this time we do have the Nike Supreme shoulder bag. I am gonna take this out the package for y'all. Maybe, yeah, I'm gonna take it out the package for y'all. I might keep this, I might not. I honestly don't know at this very specific moment because I do like the green that's on it, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, honestly. It's like a weird shape. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This shit's like weird. I don't know if it's a fanny pack or a shoulder bag, and that pisses me off low-key. We do have the shoulder bag right here. If you guys want to see a review on this, let me know. I actually might do a quick review, legit check on this, just in case. We got different tags and shit like that. I'm gonna show y'all that in the video, but right here we do got that Supreme Nike. Honestly, the jacket from this was worn by Travis Scott, and I think the prices went up low-key. Shit, the jacket was hard from the beginning. We do got the Nike emblem right here on the little buckle. That's something that they never do normally. Pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch this out, see how it fits. Matter of fact, no, I'm not. Let me know if y'all want me to make a video on it. I could possibly do that if you guys are interested. Supreme shoulder bag right there with Nike. Not bad. Honestly, a really clean piece if I must say so myself. It's the shape that's kind of throwing me off. It's like wide as hell. It looks like a lunchbox or a purse. It's just a little off, I'm not gonna lie, but it's pretty clean. I'm gonna see if I can pull it off or not. Shit, I don't know. Let me know if y'all want to see a video on this. Tags, all that. $45 retail, not too bad, honestly. Next up, we do got a package from the homies over at Borough 5 New York. The first people to ever show love to me. I gotta say that every time they send me some shit, because they looked out when nobody else did. So shit, Borough 5, shout out to Borough 5, man. Shout out to you, man. Packaging is pretty cool. I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and open it through the back, and here we do have some of their newer tees. We got the traditional greeting card logo, which I'm gonna show y'all first. I honestly really do like their pieces because the quality is A1. It's something that you could just freak in the summer real quick. Got the greeting from Borough 5 New York right there. This is also a sticker that they do. Pretty clean piece right here. And the one that I'm more excited for is this box logo right here. It says Borough 5 on it, and these kind of looks like the little porcelains that you see at the train stations in New York. That's what this reminds me of right here. And the fact that they are from New York makes this even cooler in my opinion. It's on this cream color shirt, which I honestly love, and I will be wearing this piece right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Honestly, when it comes to box logos, it doesn't have to be Supreme, bro. It's just a name. Literally is letters inside a box, which is the box logo. But this right here is pretty clean. I just like the fact that it has a simple little logo in the middle, and it's a cream color. I love the cream colorway. I feel like it does this piece justice. If you guys do want to go ahead and check them out, go ahead and check out Borough 5 on Instagram. I also will link them in the description if you are interested. But shout out to Borough 5, man. Shout out to you, man, for real. And last up, we got the big boy. This is probably one of the pieces that I'm excited for. I don't know if most excited for, but this is a pretty clean piece that I want to display in my room. So I'm honestly pretty amped because I love like just decorating my room. It's kind of weird. Y'all should probably already know what's in here if you follow the videos. We got the Molotov kid deck right here. Super fire, bro. I'm gonna take it out the wrap because this is gonna be displayed and probably never gonna be sold. I might fuck around and start skateboarding in the future. I don't know, but this is clean, bro. Got that wood grain on the front per usual. Got the Supreme sticker that comes inside of it, and then you got the design. I feel like this is probably one of the better designs they've done on skate decks. Honestly, those two designs right there are probably some of my favorites. They just look too clean to pass up on. Normally, I don't even get skate decks because I don't really know how to skate that much. I could ride a skateboard. Shit, I've tried ollieing for like a fucking year and never got it. But yeah, this shit is hard though. I'm not gonna lie. It says Supreme on the bottom right there, as you guys can see. Then you got the Molotov kid. Homie is lit. He about to go ahead and flame y'all ass up. He is not playing with you. This shit is fire, bro. Look at all the little design details on there. It's just really clean, bro. Like, come on, you cannot go wrong with this piece. And I feel like it'll look so clean just hanging up in the room. It's kind of like artwork, bro. He even has Supreme on his jacket. Like, stop playing with him, son. Stop playing with him. This is gonna be hard though. I'm looking forward to displaying this, and this was probably one of the last pieces I was trying to get before the room tour. That's why I'm trying to unbox this, because I'm trying to get that shit situated. But shit, that pretty much does it for everything I had for y'all today. This wasn't the biggest unboxing, but I feel like the shit that I got was pretty decent. I actually do fucks with the FTP glasses. I like the skate deck. The Nike bag is kind of off sizing wise. The Profane Aesthetics pieces I always love. I'm not gonna lie. Those jeans are pretty clean. The shorts, I'm gonna be rocking them shits. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Even the tee, like, yo, shout out to you, man, for real. But yeah, yo, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Leave a like if you did enjoy this video. Go ahead and click the post notification bells if you are trying to be shouted out in the next video. And low-key, shout out to Profane Aesthetics. Shout out to Borough 5. Shout out to y'all for making everything possible. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.